We have a beautiful home today with modern finishes, a spacious layout, and it's over half an acre, so you're not going to want to miss it. Let's go. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Living in Orlando channel. My name is Avery. I'm a trusted realtor here in Central Florida, and today we have a beautiful home for you today. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1949, beautiful layout. And it's on over a half of an acre, 0.65 acres to be exact. It's all for $350,000. Guys, you're not going to want to miss this home. It has spacious rooms, it has an office, it has a beautiful open kitchen with quartz countertops with that beautiful shimmer on it. It has a lovely laundry room as well as a massive master closet with a beautiful ensuite to match it. Guys, this house is absolutely gorgeous and you're not going to want to miss it, and the price is very affordable. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so before we actually go into the home, what I love about this house is that it has a covered front porch and a covered lanai that we'll check out later in the video. Now, this lanai is large enough to add some chairs, a little table. You want to sit out in your front yard and have some tea, your coffee, whatever gets you started for the day. I just love when I see those little white picket fences just right here, or maybe just like some extra little landscaping you want to do here. I just love when people add that little personal touch, and this front porch allows you that space to do it. All right, so when you first come inside of the home, this is a semi-split floor plan home, right? So you have your master and one additional bedroom and a bathroom over here, and then everything else on that side of the house. So when you first come in here, you'll have your beautiful guest bathroom. All right, guys, so now you're walking into your beautiful living space. right? So we have our open floor plan concept. We have our living room, dining room, and what I love that this builder did was they added the office den space. So typically most people will probably just leave that open. That'll be additional living space, but they closed it in for you. You can add some beautiful French doors and close off your office or make that like a playroom for your kids. Or you could always close it off, add some doors, put a closet in there, and now you have your fifth bedroom. So there's so many options that you can take with that. You have beautiful extended baseboards that go throughout the home. You have the perfect wall behind you where you can put your projector screen or your large flat screen TV, whatever it is that will allow your family to come together. And then we're going to check out the kitchen, but go ahead and check out the living and the office space. All right, guys, so now that you checked out the living room and the office space, we're going to come into what I believe is the heart of the home, and that is this kitchen. It's beautiful, it's open, it is just great for entertaining. You have your quartz countertop with that shimmer in the counter. You have your matte black finishes on the faucets and your deep undermount stainless steel sink, as well as those matching Samsung appliances. You have 36 inches on your cabinets and those soft close hinges on the cabinets, as well as the drawers. So you have cabinetry here, and I also just love this little coffee bar that they added in, right? Coffee, tea, whatever gets you going. And then they have this beautiful, spacious pantry. So with this beautiful spacious pantry, there is enough room for storage. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 L-shaped shelves. That allows for an abundance of groceries. So go ahead and check out this kitchen. All right, guys, so now we're gonna check out our beautiful laundry room. So what I love about this laundry room is that it's very spacious. You have enough room for your washer and your dryer, and then also enough room for a sink. You have your L-shaped rack already installed. But again, we like cabinets, so we're gonna take these out and get to IKEA, get us some built-ins, get us some, glass door cabinets. And then you have your 2-car garage with your garage door opener. You have your HVAC system and your double door closets and a hot water heater. And we know those being outside protects our home for any future water damage if and whenever they are to go out. All right, so you guys go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, so now we're gonna check out these last two bedrooms and the bathroom. So you have some similar bedrooms. The one on the left is gonna be a little bit larger and it has a beautiful walk-in closet. And then you have another guest bathroom here. Again, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. That is very similar to the first bathroom we saw. We did forget to stop by and check out this pocket dining room. I do love it just because it has that nice chandelier over it, a window to let you overlook your backyard, and then this dining room is just very spacious enough for an 8 or a 10 seater. You can put a nice table there, so go ahead and check that out, and then we're going to check out the backyard. All right, so now we're gonna check out this backyard. And guys, homes with large yards at an affordable price are gems to me. They speak to me. I'm an outdoors person, so I just love when you have a nice size yard. And this home specifically has 0.65 acres and it's a corner lot. So this area of Marion Oaks is considered the oversized lots area for Marion Oaks. You have a covered lanai with 3 LED recessed lighting outlets here. You can change either one of those out to put a ceiling fan. We know Florida gets hot, right? Put a ceiling fan. It'll help keep your spring and summer months cooler. You can screen this in, add a bird cage if you'd like, so that when we get those rainy seasons, you can come out, sit on your back lanai, and enjoy those summer rainy days. Now, this yard is a corner lot, so you get a good amount of space. You're not going to have any neighbors to my right, your left side of you, and it goes back out pretty far, right? Which is why we like corner lots. Now, I want to show you guys one thing that I just love about Florida. We are a subtropical climate, so we can grow anything that will grow in subtropical climates, right? And I'm pretty sure the builders, they were just out here having their lunch, probably just spit out their seeds, but look, they accidentally grew 2 watermelon, right? And this was just on accident. But when you put that intention there with a yard like this, you can have a beautiful garden, guys, and start that self-sufficiency. For my people who love to homestead and live a bit more of that self-sufficient lifestyle, you can do that right here in Florida. So go ahead and check out your beautiful backyard. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of the tour. I hope you all enjoyed this home as much as we always enjoy touring them with and for you. Today we saw a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,949 square foot home on a beautiful 0.65 acre lot. This house is beautiful. It has so many modern updates and finishes. And you guys already know we're in Marion Oaks, so you don't have an HOA, you don't have a CDD. It is a deed restricted community. Now, as far as location goes, Marion Oaks has so much within the community on its own. You have a community center, which is going to have your basketball court, your tennis court, your splash pad, a gym, everything that you'll need. You have a convenience store, you have Aldi's, you have Walgreens, Domino's, all within the community. So it's only about 7 to 10 minutes of a drive. If you want to go on a little bit of a grander scale, within about 20 minutes, you'll have your Publix, your Walmart, and all of your dining, entertainment, and shopping needs right off of Highway 200. As far as major highways, we have Interstate 75, which is about 10 minutes from here, and that'll take you north or south. On a grander scale, you have the Springs, which are about a 25 to 30 minute drive. You have Rainbow Springs and Silver Springs. If you want to go to Orlando, downtown Orlando is going to be about an hour and 15 minutes. Orlando International Airport is about an hour and a half. You do have an Ocala airport, but if you want a little bit larger, you want to travel a little bit further, you're going to have to go to either your Sanford International Airport or your Orlando International Airport. If you want to go to Gainesville, that's about 50 minutes north of here, and the beaches, whether it's Daytona or Cocoa, you're about 2-hour drive east, or if you're going to go over to Clearwater or St. Pete, you're about a 2-hour drive west. We tour homes all over Central Florida and bring you market updates live here. So if you're looking to move to the area, whether you're relocating or you're local and you want to work with a local expert, feel free to reach out to us. We always enjoy helping you guys on this journey. Down payment and closing cost information are going to be listed below, as well as room dimension information, our contact information, and the information to book a call with us, a 15-minute, 30-minute, or an hour call with us is also going to be listed below. That's all we have for you today. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.